Yeah. It's an interesting catnip ball.
Are you fine?
How do you call the hamster fat? Or the cat? I don't know which one you're on about.
Cats are awesome.
Cats. Oh, poor cat.
Oh.
Oh, here we go. Look, he's playing with it.
What's the matter, you? What's the matter, fatty bum bum? I was going to look for some sand for them.
Oh, yeah.
Sand bars like how cool they're.
I love we're talking about the hamster, but the cat's playing with a toy. Is that what you want to?
Cat don't matter. Look at his look on his face.
High as a damn kite, aren't you, cat?
Yeah, but Sammy got you treats too.
Don't pick me up, he says.
Sammy got you treats too.
Mm.
Sam's just said that he'd pay half for a rat cage and everything.
Really?
But it's not going to be in the next few weeks.
Yeah, well, Mum needs to replace the TV, and then we need to get a unit for them to sit on.
Yeah.
Probably looking after Christmas. January-ish.
You take your hamster, and I need that t-shirt in a minute to put a different one on so I can wash
He's
it.
freaking out.
It's like, what is it? What's in it? I need it.
Is that a nice cat? Is that nice? He really don't know what to make of it, does he?